Hello, Instagram. Hey, Sam here. And I just wanted to say thank you for all of the followers that I had. I just went over 2,500. So to celebrate that, I'm going to have a little thing, but I'm not going to make you jump through hoops or anything to get it. So this afternoon, I'm going to create a coupon on my website, and all my followers will get I'll just launch it where everybody can look at it. I'll put out a code and you go to the website, buy one of my plans at 20% off. And as a thank you for all my followers. Y'all have a good day now.